If you over 50 or 60 and starting to notice your energy and confidence in the bedroom just aren't what they used to be, this video is for you. Have you ever felt frustrated, anxious, or even disappointed because things don't work quite like they used to? You're definitely not alone. Millions of men around the world go through this every single day, but most keep it to themselves out of embarrassment or the fear of being judged. Before we dive in, take a quick second. Where are you watching from? Drop a comment below and let me know. And hey, if you've got a question, don't hold back. Your question might be the one that helps someone else who is going through the exact same struggle. Now for the good news. There are simple, natural, and science-backed ways to restore your strength, confidence, and performance without relying on pills or complicated treatments. Today you are going to learn a quick 3-minute daily exercise that can make a real difference in your vitality and confidence. And the best part is you can do it anytime, anywhere, even while you're just sitting and watching TV. Stay with me until the very end to understand exactly how it works and how to do it right. As men get older, it's completely normal for certain physical functions to slow down. After 60, our blood flow, muscle tone, and hormone levels naturally begin to change. Add in things like high blood pressure, diabetes, stress, or even certain medications and your performance can really take a hit. The real challenge here is reduced blood flow and weaker control over the key muscles that support healthy function. Let's make the science simple. Think of your body like a network of water pipes. When those pipes get a little stiff or narrow, the water doesn't flow as strongly, right? Well, the same thing happens with your blood flow. And there's a key player here that many people overlook: the pelvic floor muscles. These muscles run all the way from your tailbone to your pubic bone, and they support your bladder, your bowels, and yes, your sexual performance. When these muscles are weak, they can't hold blood flow effectively, which means things don't last as long. But when they're strong, they act like a natural valve, keeping blood right where it needs to be for better strength and endurance. And here's the best part. You can train these muscles, just like any other muscle in your body. No equipment needed, just 3 minutes a day. You can do this sitting, standing, or even lying down. Here's step 1. The slow hold. I want you to tighten the same muscles you'd use to stop your urine mid-flow. Hold that for about 3 to 5 seconds. Then relax for 3 to 5 seconds. Repeat this 10 to 12 times. This is what builds your endurance and control. Next is step 2. The quick squeeze. Tighten and release those same muscles quickly, like you're flipping a light switch on and off. Do this for about 1 minute. This simple action helps improve your reflex and responsiveness. And finally, step 3. The long hold. Tighten the muscles again, but this time hold for as long as you can. Start with maybe 10 or 15 seconds and build up over time. Repeat this 3 or 4 times. This is how you build real power and long-term stability, and that's at just 3 minutes a day. And you'll start to notice better control, stronger performance, and a renewed sense of confidence. So why does this work so well? These exercises improve blood circulation, strengthen those crucial blood-holding muscles, and they even boost nerve sensitivity, making the whole experience more responsive and enjoyable. Over time, men who practice this regularly often report stronger erections, better stamina, and even more satisfying intimacy. As a bonus, it also helps with bladder control, reducing any leaks or that feeling of urgency, which is a common issue for older men. Now, just like building muscle at the gym, this takes time and consistency. You're not going to see overnight changes, but with daily practice, you will notice real improvements within a few weeks. Remember, this isn't about being perfect, it's about making progress day by day. An important reminder: if you experience ongoing erectile issues, pelvic pain, or any unusual symptoms like blood in your urine, please don't ignore them. It is so important to see a healthcare professional. These can sometimes be signs of deeper issues like heart disease, diabetes, or a hormonal imbalance. Taking care of your sexual health is a vital part of taking care of your overall well-being. Thousands of men are regaining their confidence, their energy, and their happiness through small daily steps, just like this one, and you can too. So make it a routine. 3 minutes every single day. Stay consistent, Remember to breathe normally, and don't overdo it. You will soon notice the difference not just in your performance, but in your confidence and your quality of life. If this video helped you or inspired you today, do me a favor and hit that like button, and subscribe for more natural men's health tips. Share your experience down in the comments. Have you ever tried pelvic floor exercises before? Or is there another topic you'd like to learn about? Your feedback helps us build a community where men of all ages can live strong, healthy, and confident lives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where we'll explore more simple habits that can naturally improve your vitality and performance.